So this week is about to get intense. Here's the 3 major events you don't want to be missing in the next 5 days, especially the first one. Because on Wednesday the 15th at 8:30 in the morning, we could see a lot of volatility with the monthly CPI report. This inflation report will be crucial because the market is afraid of inflation going back up and thinks the Fed will slow down rate cuts, especially after the great job report we had last week. Analysts are expecting inflation to go up from 2.7% last month to 2.9%, and they are expecting the core inflation, which excludes food and energy, to stay flat at 3.3%. Second, we're kicking off the earnings season with 9 major companies reporting their earnings this week. Monday and Tuesday are pretty calm, but on Wednesday we have JP Morgan, Citigroup, Wells Fargo, and BlackRock. On Thursday we have TSMC, United Health Group, Bank of America, Morgan Stanley, and Goldman Sachs. Nothing big on Friday. Finally, on Tuesday the 14th at 8:30 in the